Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. I have come up with few trading courses which will help you to to trade and earn your passive income as such. So, but before that, I will strongly recommend you to please subscribe to my channel, like this content, and share with your friends. It takes lots of hard work to bring such kind of videos. The courses which I share on this channel are very professional courses, and it takes lots of effort to crack them out, and I do it only for you guys to stay tuned, and please subscribe to my channel because it will make me motivated, and I will bring more such kind of videos and content here so that you can make benefit of it. Let's jump into the video really quick. Again, I will be sharing the links to these courses in the description below. Please check them out. And if at all you need any kind of courses, professional courses, you need to crack them, right? So please mention that course so that I can bring it for you in the next coming videos. So that's it, guys. See you in the next coming video. Till then, please subscribe.